So what I came up with for track cleaning was this unit here. It's basically a 1-inch copper pipe, 1 inch wide. It has a filler port here, so that the mineral spirits can be put in here very carefully, and then soldered on the end here is a needle valve, which can adjust the flow rate as required, and basically just two normal end caps, but for a 1-inch tube. And then what you do with this is you get a gondola wagon. This is a Fleischmann, you see the coupler there. This is a Fleischmann car, and I just cut a hole in the bottom, and two other little holes. And so this goes in like this, so that sits on the track. And then underneath, I came up with this. It's just a piece of wood, like you can buy these wedges at Home Depot. I cut the wedge, put a couple of washers on it, I glued 2 nails to it, and with super glue and baking soda. And I've already been around the track once with this. But anyways, the idea is you fold that. It's just paper towel. It works just fine. The paper towel has enough strength in it. And then put this in here like this, and then you just put it on the track, and it's ready to clean. Sometimes it's a little hard to get it on the track. All 4 wheels. So that's the idea. So this gets pulled behind an engine or in front of the engine, and you can adjust the flow rate as you go and clean your tracks with mineral spirits as required. So I think that's a capital idea. So we'll be using that to clean the tracks in the future when it's required. And I don't have any problem with that. It didn't cost me $2.50 US or whatever they charge for that CMX cleaning car. Just money for the parts and to put together. So that's what we're going to go with. So I'll just take a look, see some of the dirt. This is dry, but you can see what it picked up. So not bad.